Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to see a beautiful step that you can use for Milonga.
We're going to be using rebotes and syncopation so you can improve even more your musicality.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like and share with your friends.
Now, let's go to the video.
Okay, here we are on the dance floor, but before showing the step, we have to clarify this. We are giving you steps figures that you can use in Milonga Rhythm. Also, you can use this step at the Milonga. Do you know the differences? Please write it on the comment below. I'm dancing Milonga at the Milonga. What do I mean? Thank you. So let's do this. Side step, change, change, change. Rock step together. And resolution using syncopation.
So, good. Again, this is a very simple step, but again, will make your Milonga dancing much richer. So, there are a few things that we would like to mention throughout the video. So, first of all, remember always before starting to dance Milonga, try to change her body weight. Pam, feel how her speed, the reaction, how she follows your timing. Yes, sometimes we move and you feel her like it's too heavy, sometimes she's too fast, sometimes she's perfect. So here, try to accommodate, feel where she is. That's the first tip. So now here, because don't go right away to the side. We are going to change her body weight and then we are going to go to the side. Now I'm going to the side, but with my intention towards my right. Yes, I'm not going to my left with intention to my left. This is what I mean. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Did you notice that I feel that I'm actually going there, but at the same time, I'm pulling in the opposite direction. So she understands that we are going to get back to that position. So I'm switching her by weight and I go tuck, tuck. I'm going with her side step, but my intention is to the right. If I go completely there, you lost the timing and it's awful.
So followers, this is very important. What we are doing is going with him lower body, but I feel this side of him, the right side, is not traveling, so I should not go with my torso. I keep my left side center, so I can step and return. So I feel my leg go for the rock step up to my hips, but my upper body, my left ribs, staying on my left side, so I can go farther back, farther side with the right hips and back to the center. So it's very easy to go fast if you do that, because you can make it really small or larger, but just from lower body and not from the upper body. This is the correct way to do it. It's good to connect with them. It's not pushing them with you. It's not creating a very bad habit with the frame. Many good things from this associating hips, then upper body.
We are changing her body weight, and remember we have a video up there that we did a couple of weeks ago, switching her body weight. It wasn't a step to bring at the Milonga. So when we are switching her body weight, we have to do it, this is just a quick review, that we have to do it with our center, not with our hand, not with our head. Just to clarify that.
Something important is, at the beginning, he's not just going. He's connecting with us. He's giving the time to understand our rhythm, our embrace, our moves, if we are on the beat, if we are connect. So after he feels this, then he goes for the step. So followers, again, don't rush to do side step or to go back. Stay there, enjoy the feet together moment, because this is just to connect, to get together into the rhythm, to the music, and then from there we move really connect.
Another thing, now for the styling leaders, I'm doing something for the style. It's not mandatory, but I think it looks nicer than just straight legs. And this is what I mean. Okay, before we continue with this next second part, we would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
We have our online tango school, online tango training, which is very useful to do it at home.
You can also check out all the videos as downloadable courses, and once in a while we have promotions with up to 50% of discount.
A great opportunity. So now let's go to the second part of the video.
So I'm switching her body weight. Pam, pa pam, pa pam, as many times as you need. We rock, and side. Tuck. Did you notice that I'm lifting my heels? Let me move here a little bit. Lifting my heels. Tuck. Just for the style. In the upper body, it doesn't change at all. Tuck. Pam. And from here, I will walk out to resolution. So it could be pam, 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 param, pa, 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 pam. Totally fine, but if you want to add a little more taste to it, ra, pa, pa, sa, pa, pam, ta, da, ta, tan, tan. Did you notice that I went out with my knees? Almost like a skiing.
And this is an embellishment.
It's an embellishment. It's not mandatory. Let me do it with her one more time in the real speed so you see what I'm talking about. And change her body weight. And wa, pa, sa, pa, pam, pa, da, pa, pam, pam. Just
Nice.
something cool to add to your dance.
Very nice. Let's show them with the rhythm again on this side so you can see the embrace is close embrace all the time. So we change and change. Rock, step together, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we could do this in close embrace all the time, especially if it's Milonga.
Great work, and if you're here, thank you so much.
Yes, great. Like, share with friends, and see you next time.
Bye.